So, you've been playing the ukulele a few weeks, months, maybe even a few years, and you're at the point where you want to turn this into this. Or this into this. Today we're going to talk about how you can increase your speed in a controlled and measured way. Hi and welcome to the EatMyUke ukulele channel. If you're new around here and you're interested in hearing ukulele arrangements, techniques, tutorials and tips, please consider hitting the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. So, something I've been constantly trying to develop on the uke is my speed and agility. And there's actually a really straightforward, simple technique you can apply that, if done correctly, will increase your speed dramatically. And the principle behind it is slowing everything down to a snail's pace while playing along to an increasing metronome. What is a metronome? A metronome is a tick, click or drum beat that helps you learn to keep a steady pace. Now, keeping a steady pace is critical for a musician, as almost all music requires a consistent pulse. You can kind of think of them as rhythmic training wheels. And it's key to use a metronome in this technique, as while it's great flying up and down the fretboard at lightning speed, it's very important to be able to do it in time. So when you come to play with other musicians, you're all going to be on the same wavelength and be able to play along to the drummer. Playing along to the metronome is a common technique already, but how is it going to help us play faster on the ukulele? So we're going to hack the metronome a little bit. What we're going to do is start very slow and increase the tempo by increments of 3 beats per minute every 4 bars. So for example, take this finger picking pattern. We're starting super slow, 70 beats per minute, just concentrating on what your fingers are doing. We just moved up to 73 beats per minute. Take it slow, slow and steady. Just allow your fingers to breathe and concentrate on what they're doing. We're now on 76 beats per minute and it's still very slow. You probably won't feel like your fingers are even changing, but they're slowly getting faster. Up to 79 beats per minute now, and it's really beginning to take shape. Okay, we're now on 82 beats per minute, and although it may seem like a long process, if we was to fast forward to 100 beats per minute, you immediately see where you could get to if you just keep going. Rewind back to 70 beats per minute, then to 100, now to our final landing point at 160 beats per minute. You can see what kind of progression you can make if you go through this 5-minute sequence. The key to tracking if this is actually working is to take your piece of music, play along to the sequence, and make a note of when your fingers start to struggle and start to hurt, and use that as like a high score of what you're going to try and improve on next time. It doesn't just have to be finger picking, you can do this with strumming or riffing. Absolutely anything that you want to get faster on. Something I found extremely effective while applying this technique is to do it while watching a movie or a YouTube video or anything like that. Something where you can switch your brain off what you're playing on the ukulele and just become a bit zombie robotic with it. Just allow your fingers to breathe a little bit. Give them time to do their thing. I've been doing this for years and it's helped me so much, so I'm really happy to be able to share it with you and hopefully increase your speed playing too. At the end of this video, I'm going to include the 5-minute long sequence so you can use it any way you like to improve your playing. Thanks for watching to the end of that video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you'd like to see some more stuff like this, techniques, tutorials, that kind of stuff, please leave me a comment below telling me exactly what you want to hear. I'm going to start putting tutorials on my Instagram as well, so head over there and follow that at EatMyUke. Pick up all the patrons who support me every single month. You guys are changing my life. I love you. I'll see you next week for another ukulele video.